problem states that in the given systems of equations, the system has exactly one distinct real solution. What is the value of k? Keywords that I'm picking up on is systems of equations and that the system has exactly one distinct real solution. And that one distinct real solution has to do with my discriminant. Ooh. So that's going to be b squared minus 4ac. Now we have our system, which is y plus k equals x plus 26, and y minus k equals x squared minus 5x. Now, since there are systems of equations and it has one solution, we're looking for the point where these things meet or where they are equal. In order to be clear about the point where they equal, we're going to want to set them equal to each other, but we need the same thing on both sides. So we're going to take y plus k equals x plus 26. We're going to look at y minus k equals x squared minus 5x. And we're going to get y by itself on both sides. So in this case, I subtract k, and I get y equals x plus 26 minus k. And then in this one, I'm going to add k to both sides, and I get y equals x squared minus 5x plus k. Now I'm going to set these equal to each other, and I'm going to have x plus 26 minus k equals x squared minus 5x plus k. Now, since they have exactly one distinct real solution, I'm going to want to get this into standard form, which is going to be 0 equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And I'm going to want to identify my a, b, and c terms and plug them in for b squared minus 4ac equal to 0, because it has exactly one distinct real solution. Once again, that has to do with my discriminants. You can check that out in another video. So to get 0 on this side, I'm going to subtract x, subtract 26, and add k to both sides. And I'm going to get 0 equals x squared minus 6x plus 2k minus 26. As I mentioned, I'm going to plug this in where my a term is 1. My b term equals negative 6. And my c term equals 2k minus 26 because k is constant. So k is supposed to be a number. All right, so now I'm going to plug this into my b squared minus 4ac. So negative 6 squared minus 4 times 1, negative 26. So that's 4ac. And my a term is 1. That's going to give me 36 minus 8k if I distribute, plus 104 equal to 0. Which is I'm going to combine these like terms, and I get negative 8k plus 140 equals 0. I'm going to add 8k to both sides to get 140 equals 8k, and finally divide both sides by 8. And I get that k equals 140 over 8.